Hey guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today what I'm going to show you is our most flexible product, the sublimation film. Now you may wonder why I called it the most flexible one. Well, it is because it can be cut very easily into any shape you like, and you can bend it over. And also as a sublimation media, it is very multifunctional. It can be used as a photo paper, but it's too much better than a photo paper because it's waterproof and dustproof. You can just wipe out the water and the dust on it very easily. And it's color fast. You don't have to worry the image will fade after a long time. And also it's translucent. Light can pass through the sublimation film. Other regular photo papers cannot do that. What's more, it allows you to create so much more than you can imagine. It can realize your ideas. So next, I'm going to show you my ideas and my creations, and I hope you can find some inspiration from what I made. Let's get started. First, I'm going to make something with our available product. The first one is the tumbler with photo insert. The sublimation film has been already cut to best fit the tumbler, and before printing we need to make sure we find the right printed side. The printed side is glossy and the back side is matte. We are going to print on the glossy side. First we need to cut the image. We need to stick the sublimation film on the image with the glossy side facing down. We need to put on a piece of protective paper, and then we put on the sublimation film with the image face up. Now we can press it. The printing parameters are 190 degrees Celsius and 60 seconds. Now it's done, let's check the results. You can see the image was transferred very well. Finally, I just need to insert the film into the tumbler to make it personalized. Because this film is waterproof, so you don't have to worry the image will get wet or blur. Also, we have lamp cover available. You can simply print the image on it and bend it over, connect the two sides to make a very pretty night light. And you can put the sublimation film inside to make a very beautiful lantern. And you can use our sublimation film as a photo paper. It works very well with our slate frame. And also you can prepare this kind of frame which comes with a light. It looks very beautiful and it's very perfect for your night table. So after watching so many great ideas, the lamp covers, the water tumblers, the photo frames, and the beautiful lantern, have you got some DIY inspiration? Share with us, we are looking forward to your creations.